Today I'll be showing you how to cook perfect brown, short-grained brown rice. Any rice actually, this is the perfect way to do it. You need 4 parts of water to 1 part of rice. So I have 8 cups of water in here. It's boiling already, but you don't need to add, you don't need to put this into boiling water. So I need 1 and a 2nd cup. Alright, now here's the secret about cooking perfect rice. You have to bring it to the boil on the highest possible temperature that you've got. And once it's boiling, you turn it down to the lowest possible temperature you've got. And you keep the lid on all the time. Do not cook rice like this. It never works out nicely and you waste electricity because all that heat is going up. Now you do need to add some salt. And you can either add some salt crystals, some plain sea salt, or you can add some veg stock. If I'm going to make this and then use half for savory and half for sweet, I would use just plain salt. But I'm wanting to make pizza rice out of this. So to make pizza rice, I'm going to add some of my veg stock, and I'm just going to mix it up so I make sure I'm getting some salt. And I'll take a nice sort of closed handful of that, and I pop it in there, and it's come to the boil, and I now turn it down to the lowest possible temperature. And that's my simmering temperature. And I'm now going to leave it alone. You never stir rice. Okay, so take a look at the rice. You can see there it's almost done. It starts to get those little holes in it. Now normally we just cook it until all that water was gone, simmering it gently with the lid on. But because we're making pizza rice, I'm going to add mushrooms. And then I'm going to add some frozen peas. Just put them all in, you love peas. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of chopped capers and some artichokes. You can put whatever you like. Whatever you have on a pizza you can pile on top here. I'm adding dried olives because I prefer them to the ones that are not dried. And I'm going to put the lid on and simmer that for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add some fresh avocado and fresh tomato just before we serve. Lid back on, keep it on there for 5 or 10 minutes until it's piping hot. I'll see you at the dining room table. Oh, yummy. Check this rice, how beautifully it's cooked underneath here. Steaming hot. Wonderful. Absolutely delicious. Look at that perfect rice. All the water's been absorbed. And now what we're going to do is pile that into a plate. You can add a little bit of olive oil if you'd like to, or just pile some tomato on here. Tomato, avocado, and this way you start with your raw food first on top, and by the time you're done, some of it all mixed with the rice. And some fresh basil. I've just picked this out of the garden. And we're just going to add that fresh basil. Then you get a real taste. That's pizza rice.